It is another. It's another afternoon. I'm Joseph Chimba, the grassroots media president, broadcasting live in the Republic of Zambia. The future of this country, Zambia. So you can tell us exactly where you are watching the grassroots media from. Otherwise, kuipatikisha vyokusa mkumbashire umfobi na madeza. Mwarishiba mwamina bantu tanaka lero mwamina nguni eunaka. So shire umfwa wino nomba mwarishiba lesa ngali kuperecha upecha kwa landira kwechalo ulingire waisa wa landira kwechalo. How is the future? How is our future? How will be our future? Because what is happening in this country, what is happening in this country? There is no democracy. There is no Christianity. We don't know where we are going as a nation. So, topic under this afternoon, I'm talking about the future of this country, Mother Zambia. You can tell us exactly where you are watching the grassroots media from. Otherwise, ishkweta maka ya kulanda sana. Ishkweta maka ya kulanda sana. Ama dezi ano. Ishire umfa wino. Badi mwandu wakweba ati ichalonga chile unaika. Na ngula na uruala. Taule umfa wino ulingire wabuka. Walandila kwe chalo. So you can tell us exactly where you are watching the grassroots media from this beautiful afternoon. And I'm going to have phone calls. I'll give a chance to you, my brothers and sisters. Number nimbika po ya kutumina po hapo. Nama numbers nimbika po ya bilia 09 666 111 95 na 077 95 19 270. Otherwise, if you stika muchalo, fiamuse banya, icha kwebati, we don't even understand. Bushabe nama leaders ebo tuwakwata, na kuchechi balaya. Nama pastors bala bamuna, na ma priests bala bamuna. Because if you stika muchalo muno, fiabuloshi. If you stika muchalo muno, fintu fialamba. If you stika muchalo muno, it's not building the future for the younger generation. If you stika muchalo muno. If you can even see that we are not going anywhere as a nation. Tapala kotuleya. Abakala amba abakutubika pamo. Tapala fe barechita. Basha mfumu. Tapala fe barechita basha mfumu. Basha mfumu bali monokwe bati umuntu uwabe batandalira. Ifi nakainde echile mala batandalira. Alaya kuliba mpezeni, aya kuliba chiti mukuru, aya kuliba litunga, aya kuliba chifu mukuni. Konso kwa la tandala. Nobody langa fuma mubuteko alula tapale ko ture as a nation. Ama leaders besu abasha mfumu. Edgar Lungu was a president over there nankwe over the tandale ku state house. Lidia Edgar Lungu afwa uwa bapere ne myotoka uwa balundira masalaries basha mfumu bale for international no sana. But Edgar Lungu na PF yasa bapere international bale for la bwino ne myotoka bali bapere elo Edgar Lungu afwa tapali ulanda po shamfumu nomba tu walandati ushe ishamfumu kulingana tradition yotu wakwata ushe what is the work of the chiefs, because abonzi ba chief ama chiefs botu wakwata bakalamba bakutulange nshila eko tulefuma neko tuleya ukubike chalo pamo muno muchoto alikwata abantu abakalamba abapala ba Nevas Mumba twalikwata bakalamba abapala ba Brigadier General Mianda twalikwata bakalamba apali ba Guy Scott twalikwata bakalamba apali bakavindele na bakalambe nkumi abafyashi bezo bash amashikureko baba Edgar Lungu wali former president wali president wa charo bale mu kitawanya imfumu na shikala abakalamba basolwe ichale ngati befwa kutulanga direction pati bakaunda balifwa ba Michael Sata balifwa ba mwana wasa balifwa ba chiru ba rupia banda bakalamba balifwa nomba abakutulanga nshila no kubike chalo pamwe bali kuisa, because chinwe chalo po chirendela chinu if we are not careful chinwe chalo if we are not careful this country will be divided because of the way we are running this country. Abakalamba nga tabale tukontrola. Mwesha mfumu nga tamule tueba imikalile because imo bonse mwe bakalamba mulelilo kuwa. Mulelilo kuya. You are in the afternoons. So uchadi ichochi kashale chao naika. Kweba na kufiarwa, tukalerwa, tukalepatana, mulandu wa tribalism, nefi yako ngapo fimo. Mwe bakalengani mwe, lesaka mku mipusha. Ichale ngati mwifua, kutupele nshila, baka vindele, kutupele nshila, ba nevasi mumba, kutupele nshila. Mwe bakalamba, ba solwe. Ichale ngati mwifua, ba chifu mukuni. Ichale ngati mwifua, ba chifu chikwanda. Ichale ngati mwifua, ba mpezeni. Ichale, nenu ba rifua, ba nilala mwiloba. Ichale ngati mwifua bonse mwesha mfumu kutupela mano fwe bana kufyalwa umwana takulira nina ifo tuli bana ala mulefu mukachira ma problem Edgar Lungu da mulemona afuma ku Eastern Province Edgar Shagwarungu afuma ku Eastern Province ala ba lungu bafwa isha mfumu shwanze sha ku Eastern Province sha kwa Edgar Lungu tafu nomba nishi mwaba fyashi besu nero twafyalwa pantu lena dilanda pano ngachakwebo kweba tinakwata problem ili yonse mwalimu last time nabyo kuri twalire kuri bachitibukuru twamukusambirira ukutupela direction mweba nakufyalwa chinwe cyaro lifupa wakolokota ko waya dala mulekolokota ko efupa mulingire mwaishiba ifya kwikana abantu ifya kutungurura cyaro noma mweba kalambani mwe tamule tulanga direction Edgar Lungu epo afura 10 months ali ba mu fridge isha mfumo eko shaba mwema pastors eko mwaba mwema bishop bayi makando mwaba kwisa bishop banda mwaba kwisa mwilaba kwata mwaba muchalo ala PF yali mu government abela makando mwalelanda abela bonse mwema pastors mwalelanda Edgar Lungu chishecho mwamupatira mwe bantu bakwalesa icha kweba tumufyasha afwa uwale tupangile fipatala efyo tule yamo uwale tupangila maskuru omo tule twala bana free education uwale tupangila ama airport ebale ninapwendeke alabanele saka tukanda bonse lesa akona ula chinwe chalo lesa ke pa uli wonse bantu mwa muchalo tamudi chitemu iko yo takwa beko nangufedi nindoshi yafwa mumushi indoshi balashika nangu nikabwalala afwa muchalo kabwala balashika nangu ichipondo chale ipa ya bantu balachishika muchalo manje file chitika kyamusebanya kula lwile chitumbi cha kwa lungu elwala tamwale muruila chetu muntu kuchipatala. That's why in every time in the land, if you are tumpe, if you are bupoba, if you are kupena, ngachakweba tiaka inde echilema, to amushitari taya, tatulefwa ububushiru, uwa kupena, ukache continue. Chinwe chala, we need to come together and speak one language of love and forgiveness. Chinwe chalo chile unaika, kwa itakudi bashima pepo, chinwe chalo chile unaika, kwa itakudi abantu abasambirila, chinwe chalo chile unaika, kwa itakwa ama judges, kwa itakwa ama majesties abasambirila, abenga bika na uta divide ka inde echilema. Bushamwe bantu bakwalesa chalo chila kwiseko tulea bane mwilache nsane chalo mule tontonga nyefya chisika kufyalo vimbi ape menturu bundi mufyalo pantu apa chabe ape menturu bundi muchalo. That's why tulafoya bakalamba lesa ngali basunga balingire batupela direction isha mfumu. That's why badala ndati mwesha mfumu mwilaba ama politics mulandu kwati bali kwetia manu because bakainde echilema isha mfumu shonse twakwata akainde echimanga bali muteka panshi akainde echilema ne tusebanya ku South Africa akainde echema no buteko bwakwe ula tusebanya ku chalo ama Zambiani abaya kufyalo kumbi balese bana nomba ngatulelanda tunakwata twakwata manu alabane pafwa bantu pashala bantu elo tukafa fwa balanda ku echalo chino echo chikashala chao naika because most of you tamulefo kutontonganya pa bana benu tamulefo kutontonganya pa bakashi benu tamulefo kutontonganya pa future yenu mula tontonganya what happened in Rwanda ichale ngele ku Rwanda chinshi kwa atabena Rwandizi wale butuka wale sa mucho chesu cha Zambia. It is not the Europeans that started the problem in Rwanda. It was them, the Hutu and the another tribe. They started fighting and thousands of people they were killed. Why? Because we are the black people. Prevention is better than cure. It's umuchilanda. Alabanefo lesa mipera la matui kula umfwa. Efo lesa mipera mezo kula mona. Ela tukafa fwa ndira kwe chalo. Mukashamu ipana muno muchalo. Mukashamu afwa because ela tule control obuteko. Ela tule control obuteko tule buchita advice. Akainde echilema is not the first and the last president. Akainde echilema is not alpha and omega of this country, no. Eko bali bakaunda bali fwa. eko bali bachiluba bali fwa, eko bali balupia banda, eko bali abena Michael Sata, eko bali abena Lev Patrick mwana wasa bali fwa, bali ala mwiloba. So akainde echilema is not the first and the last. Elo esha ono ule chalo. Chakwe bati mweba na kufyarwa, mukashe mule patana. Chinwe chalo, tulefwa okulanda pa butungurushi. Uwa kweba ati mukashe mulete mwana. Mukashe mule sungana. Because nga mafila kusungana, tapaduka misunga. Chinwe chalo, chalo cho mwakwata. You have got only one Zambia, one nation. Chinwe chalo mwakwata. So the only country, mwakwata kweba ati mule umfuana. No kwelelana. No mbanga chakwebo kwebati mweba asambirila mwebantu mwalikwata abantu abasambirila abantu abakwata ama PhD ama degree holders bose bakuwe no mbecho mwabela bakuwe chinshi. The Bible says you reap what you sow. You think what is happening in this country is normal? This is pure demonic. This is pure satanic. This is pure darkness, and it's going to destroy the future for the younger generation. If you are chona I can feel chakwebati abantu nga balelanda tamule umfwa ichalo bantu ichalo ifupa wakolo takwaya mulete mwana ndo watema mkamfwirwa nishile saka kupala ba Edgar Lungu bali ba president Edgar Lungu chitumbi mulete kwatu wanyawanya kwati akupanta uli wonse kuti apantamo uli wonse kuti apantamo, but you are forgetting that ayama kamwakwata upela ni lesa tupelo mweo lesa fumyapo mweo. Eko bali abakwete amano bali fwa, eko bali abashakwete mano bali fwa, eko bali abakwete orupia muchalo muno bali fwa, eko bali abena mabutu sesoseko abakwete orupia, abakwete compound yao bali fwa, eko bali abena Gaddafi abakwete orupia bali fwa, eko bali abena Saddam Hussein abakwete orupia bali fwa. Fyonse fyalishara mule kwate emitimesha kute mwana. Mwilaka la mucharo kwati ni mbutushi. Mwilaka la mucharo kwati wa criminals. Mwilaka la mucharo kwati ulimbi. Kwati nomba, these people, they are criminal to each other. There is a reason why you were born in this country. Is to protect what God has created for you. Lesali mupele chuma mucharo muno. Isedi mwikale pamo. Mubike charo pamo. Mulelu afyo moshachela. Bushanga chai chakwebati. Akainde echilema. Afuma pali bu president lero. Gachakweba kwebati akainde echilema alusama election. Elo akainde echilema asa aruwala. Elo tunayando kweba tumutwale ku India. Elo palapa airport tukamukanye. Mkesa umfashani. Ngachali chakweba kweba akainde echilema afwa lero. Because utine mfwa nina mwenso. Ngachali chakweba akainde afwa. Ayafuila ku India. Elo tuwakana ichitumbi chihisa. Elo abakashiba kwena abana. Balalonde chitumbi for 10 months. Elo we have got pastors. Tuwalikuwa tama chiefs. Tuwalikuwa abantu abasambira n'abashasambira tukaleta pointu ubundi muchalo ichalo matwi ichiwemba chando okwebati mwana wandisi ngobu ukoshi uburungu tabwayafya echo mulelwira chinshi echo mwakwatiro lupato chinshi kuti mwazunga mukamfura ku South Africa for 10 months anasunga chitumbi abantu nga bakulesha kuchiro wikesako waumfwa nangu bakainde ichilema. Mukayeko kumanda mukaye mona Edgar Lungu ngali fona mutafwa mukaye mona kumanda kula bakashika ya lungu takabuke lungu alifwa. So what are you going to benefit? Kanofeli wewe takwa ngoko bana ningechalo abene bachitumbinga bakukanya. You are not going to lose anything. You remain akainde chilema. You remain the president of this country. You are not going to lose anything. Ena abantu bakakupela bakakutemwa takwa ati yonga tausa kuchilonga ngatawireko nishilombo chala bashana. Alabane ichalo bantu elo bane mikalandata tuwalilanda elo ichalo chonchika kwata abantu kupatana elo mukala patana elo abana kufya mukasa mukupatana mikalandata tuwalilanda abafyashi benu abena kaunda bakuleta one Zambia one nation tabatumpire muri one Zambia one nation mwebana kufyalwa iyi mutilanga mwabu ko luchero one Zambia one nation. One Zambia one nation never came by mistake. It was because of what is happening today. Kwali injustice mchalo. Kwali amatribes yamo yale chitakwatiri mbiali more important than others. Ngatamwa ishiba mweba nakufyalwa ichale ngeba lete one Zambia one nation bakaunda kutumpa ukule kule chitika kwa kweba tibamo bale mwe kwa tibabo bali more important than others. Kaunda lisena design mwe pusha aba fyashibenu mula ndi what tribalism kaunda at one point aisa chana design ale for kufileka because some of the other people they think like unless ni bena unless ni mwe takwa beko lesa pangile charo umutundumo lesa rwa panga chino echaro ali mibika mu ababemba amibika mu Batonga amibika mu Balozi amibika mu Bakalubale amibika mu Eastern Province echo amibikira mu charo chino kudde mwana. You are not special to any tribe. So the same nonsense that was happening time ya kwa Kaunda pamu to one Zambia one nation yise. It's the same nonsense if you have pubefile chitika mu charo muno because munati no kulanda nga walanda yo bale chikuikata chama batuipa etufwe. Chama we stand on the truth to protect the future for the younger generation because abaka isa chula ni mwe bala kufyalwa ela chi tribalism chikakula ela tribalism ikakula. Let me tell you one thing ngacha kwa batu mutundumo wala mwana kwa watu wa more special than others. What happen kesa isa umutundumbi ukesa mboku ingisha fya abantu bauko for the next 10 years ba ingisha fya mu government elomba imitundu shimbi kesa ima imitundu ngasha ima shimbi mkesa le tolwa isule mishimu chalo. And we don't want to see that in the future for the younger generation. Aba fiashi benu ba Kaunda, aba fiashi benu ba Nkumbula. Abena kapwepo bonse, bali kwetia manu, pakuleta one Zambia one nation. Muna ndo akweba ati, muno mchalo. Kwa lefo kubuke nkondo, ngataba mieba, imitundu, sha lefo kwa mbo kuipana. Kwa lefo kwa mbo kuipana, kula sendama fumo, kula ilasi. Echo balila teba Kaunda bati twala na ure chalo. Kula nda bena Nkumbula, abena Kaunda, abena Mainza chona. Kula nda chentu kale poma bantu bala mbo kuipaya. Muna ndo kuitemwa. Kanofeli ne. Ala bane, ukwa niso ketakwa fiye bantu. Ifwa tule kula. Na tumoneko tuwafuma, neko tulea. Ina I speak what is there. Shama wampata, I tell you the truth. Ababa na mule fiala. Aba. Kuntashi wakeza mkuipana. Ababa na mule fiala aba. Aba kweba ati. Ala okotulea. If you are not mistaken. If I'm not mistaken. Abantu parale kokupe mitundushimbi. Tribalism efo yaba. Ababemba bakambo kupa na beka. Abatonga bakambo kupa na beka. Abalozi bakambo kupa na beka. Nomba ngamwamba kupa na mweka. Aba umebaka fuma kui. Because echo bana ndi one Zambia one nation. Ababemba bali upa Batonga. Abatonga bali upa Bakalubale. Bakalubale bali upa kubachewa. Nomba ngamwarete chimutundu. Chibe pamulu. Mwambi oko na ule chalo. Mukopwa kuisa. Nikuisa kwa mukopwa. Because apepo ndelanda Abatonga na babemba bale upana. Apepo ndelanda Bakalubale na Balozi bale upana. Apepo ndelanda Balozi na bakuchipata bale kwata ma wedding this weekend. Nomba ngamwaleta tribalism. It will mean that ababemba bale upana, Bakalubale bale upana, Abatonga bale upana, Abalozi bale upana beka. You are going to divide this country. So ucha before tamata divide chinwe charo. Tulingetwa isa pamo. No to forgive each other. And the only way each other forgive each other. You cannot forgive each other if there are no mistakes. Mistakes are the ones that make somebody to forgive. You cannot forgive somebody who have a mistake. So the mistakes we have seen. If you have a mulero warungu, fiala tuleterela. If you have a mulero warungu, fiala tuleterela. It is not every person who is happy of what is happening. Because in the church kweba tilero. Mwalimu enesi aletika mushikushakare. Ela akainde echilema bamu ikete inendelanda pomo chachela akainde echilema elo wali kumongu kulia mwaishefi achifike kumongu ine paloka ndesha motoka pano pondi kwa isa sairina ngu kwa motoka ya sairini ileisa whether yaba malonda na isendenda lama ta isendenda lama I need to park ngachakwa ebo kweba ambulance ileisa I'm driving I need to give you way kuli motoka ikwata sairini efo batu funda. So number by UPND ela bali kumongu bali umfile president aleisa bali aisha femi otoka ukwabula okwiminira na akainda lishimuli motoka emwali iseje ngali minike motoka ngabali landiro kwebacha bonsa makanda za ba UPND ngabala ndiro kwebacho kateka wesu wa UPND motoka bali shibe alimo aiminina na ifoka twiminina bali aisha fe then they call that is endangering the office of the president. Nomba lelo ngalelo akainde ngale pita na yole isha motoka teti tiba usitashani lelo aba UPND tiba usitashani. So fimwe fintu tulingile twa flolesha ama mistake achitike alia was stubborn between the current president and the former president. So we need to understand some of these things and we need to forget about that. Endangering the office of the president is a very big offense because kateka udia akainde ishe mangale sandesha motoka but police can do anything. Because akainde echilema, everyone is depending on akainde echilema. So I need to give a chance. Kuli kateka ngalesa la moto karensha. If you funderi aba, What imona ngumotoka ilia yaba fabricating ilesa ile panga side we move out of the road. We find a way where you can park your car. Where there could congestion, we always give a chance. Kuma motoka agwete side. But other problem ya chifika ilia to play my barungu. Yo barungu chachikana so. Dimo, we need to stand on the truth. The mistake was there, and we have to correct the mistake so that we don't experience the same thing in the future. Ever chilling okuba. Lero tu ibika po rupato. Pantu barungu bari kete akainde echilema. Te rungu wa mwikete. Ni funderi acharo. Isha ikete akainde echilema kumutu wa kumukobeko. Ni funderi acharo. So te kwa tuwe ngana tuikala. Yo akainde etika rungu wari kete akainde echilema. Tamu ikete yo. Ila mwikete ni funderi acharo. Just like ilelongo watukaba akainde. Manabaka kuikata. Ngawa chekwa miti cybercrime. Bala kuikata mayo. Abale kuikata tiaka inde echilema. Ichile kuikata nifunde. So nga turela de pama funde acharo. No kusta compare life yakwa kainde. Tete ine bali njikata. Bali mwalimu la bali njikata sana. Tete indira de tuwa kainde echilema bali njikata. Nga chakwa wati na pangile problem. Ndela de pala kainde echilema. Nisha mulati ya nomo Zambian. That's why the kwani bama koti there. The truth shall set you free. Ngala lipango mulandu. Ba koti bakala de tuwa lipango mulandu. Nga chakwa wati pasanga nishakwa tamulandu. Bakala chita free. No, muneba grassroots media. Unamulandu wa ishile kuno. Kama kwa tamulandu kabiyeni. One day I'll be free. Evo chaba. Nomba, ngachakwa evo kweba everything. Tule blame afe. Yo edika rungu. Tule onaure chalo. Tule onaura future iya chalo. Tule onaura future ya chalo. Nomba, imwa mrefi mwana kwa tina fianguka. Ela babemba mkala upana mweka. Na imwa watonga mkala upana mweka. Takwa kabefi upo. Kaja babemba bari isula. N'abatonga na bena bali isula kupa. N'abalozi bali isula. N'abakarubale bali isula. The only way you can get married. Kula bako wasanga kwa mwana kashi. Uriya kwesitiye. Wasanga umwana kashi mubemba wa upa. Nga mutonga wa upa. Mwana kwa abana. Ero bali abana. Bala kwa mashina apu sana. Bala kwa achitonga. Bala kwa achibemba. Musemu house. Ero abana balanga bakula. Baka sangwa tabara ingile nchito. Abana mukala basunga pamanganda. Lola ingile nchito. Mula nduwati tribalism. Nomba, ichika sa konkapo, mkalete ntrubu ndi muchalo, ovita turefuana. Aba fiashi besu, they fought for this country. They stood with this country. And God protected them. Patu piano untungwa, bamobali fwa, pali one Zambia, one nation. So, icha kweba tu, mule ona ule chatu le tamba, mule tina kainde ichilema, mule mweba kainde ichilema. It's not the first and the last. Akainde echilema kachushira ma problem muchalo alingira kwa to mutima wa tolerance. When you are a leader, you need to have a heart of tolerance. Mandela was in prison for 27 years. Akainde echilema was in prison for how many years? Namba akainde echilema ngadi munani mu prison for 27 years. Ero afumasa wakateka kuchabashana. There is a reason why things happen in this world. The Bible says, count everything as joy. Where we are today, as a nation. Tetu mubike, former president, mubika mu, nangu mwalimu patile, kubika president, former president mumochari for 10 years. Again mulelu ule chitumbi. Nangu mwalimu kwa temi timesha bunkarwe. Umunenu mwalimu kanyoka uchipatala. Mwahate mwe chitumbi. And you call yourselves you are Christians. You are pagans, you are hypocrites. You cannot do this nonsense that is happening in this country. And do the Zambian people mletamba. Bako ntolole ni ababantu. Ababantu bari kota. Baka mishila ma problem. Mweba na kufialwa. Before, mweba na kufialata mla kwata ma problem. Chila muleka simpo hapa. But as you grow up, elo mamanje, baka la tirati. Ulevo kamkupila munani, mungande aba nani. Mungande aba na batundunshi. Mukakota, kwa bulokula upwa. Because what happened? Mula akuma church. Mula akuma church mule pipa kuri lesati. Mwele sa ndefo echupo. Tamula ndo mutundu. Mula ndafiati ndefo echupo. Lesala mipele echupo. We mutonga wa upo mubemba. We mubemba wa upo mulozi. We mulozi wa upo mungoni. That's how God has created us. God has shown love to us. Nombanga chakwe batwa bike chimutundu. Ichi akwa natia. Pantu babemba. Pantu abatonga. Pantu adibakadwande. We are going to destroy this country. Na mweba kesa chula. Mweba na kufialwa. Because mule biala uruwola. You are planting a very bad seed. Eko mule ya ukabipa kwa muliro. Aba mule mwana bari kota bari shindaila. Bari kota bari lokuya. So beona ure chalo. Pa politician beona ure chalo. Mule Zambia mkwati ya menso. Especially with the youths. Mkwati ya mano. Mule tontonga pa bana benu. Obo mkesa kwata. Because kukesa abo mtundu kesa sendobu teko. For another 15 years. Tamakala ingile chito. Noma mukesa ikarashani. Mukesa ikarashani ngachakweba okwebati kesa mutundumbi. Labele bakesa tira mwale ingisha mweke nchito. Ela bakesa ka government for 15 years or 20 years. Your education is going to be valueless. Tai mukala sambirila mukala kumaunza tamakala sangenchito mukala kumakopa belt tamakala sangenchito because you are planting a bad seed. So mukala ndata kwa abalelanda palopondela ndashile umfobula. I'm not even feeling well. If you feel kuri barungu file patrule charo file kuri barungu file patrule charo, you cannot punish a dead person in the mortuary for 10 months. Abantu bala munakwati nomba ububu nyobu teko bwashana umuntu bamukanyo ka kuchiriro wale patikisho ka kuchiriro baka inde echilema you are president mule umfu abantunga balanda abantunga abafyashi besu efo balelanda abafyashi besu bale tupela mafunde balelanda chikwapa tachira kubeya efya abafyashi besu balelanda efo bale twebala so akale mweba ina kufyarwa imwe mweba na kufyarwa. That's why muletiranga mwa upalero ichupo 1 week chapwa mwa upalero 2 years ichupo chapwa. If you profit up every day because mure upe tamuleishwa manganda mure upilamo abafyashi benu bale ikala panshi before tabala upa bale cheche tairenganda pantu abafyashi benu bali ishibe. That's why abakalamba bonsa muremona abakalamba bamuremona bena nevasi mumba abena akainde echilema bonsa abakalamba bamuremona bale upe few profit guidance. That's why muremona few profit ofyari ikala. This time letranga mwabu koluchero wamala fyoma nakashale pita muloju na kwata maipu wa mkupa wamala fyoma nakashale ndesungu itsuma wa mkupa tamulesha cho mule upa maipu tamule tontonkanya ushe uyuma nakashinde upa akansungira abana akasungira abafyashi bandira barupwa abafyashi benu bare kwata guidance pakupa ila ine guidance obale tupera na nombaline o tulela ndapo. Where are we going as a nation? If the chitika fya chabe fya museru mweba fyashi echo lesami bana mamu abakwisa kale nambo kulanda lese fya chita lesali kwatamu abombela imamu na kwati ba Esther Lungu eba rechula. But I can assure you the Zambian women kukaba amarweli akesa au mkesa arwana bana mayo kwebati mukesa arando kwebati kwena balelanda uliana mayo mwarekeresha Esther Lungu ba Esther Lungu bali ya South Africa bali kala ku South Africa ba Esther Lungu bana mayo mwema kuzambia mwalikala ela kukesa ama kansa ela kukesa ama rwele kwebati bana mamu kala rwala mwalirekeleshana mayo munenu alechula alesunge chitumbi for 10 months bana mayo bana nkoko chifukatila bana. Where are the widows of this country? Bana mayo mweba abarume benu barifwa kutima kwa kusunge chitumbi for 10 months mwalikala mureria you tamwa kwa temitima isha buntu because lese fya mipangila ali mipango kula tontonkanya infumulesa ya mipele chalo infumulesa ya mipele akasuba infumulesa ya mipele mwela mulepema mule kwa toruse efyo lesa kwa toruse pani life yenu tamwa kwa toruse niba balande pali ba Esther Lungu alabane mwikalanda twaliko ala mukambo kurwale fipute chakwa batika mwala wale fipute ko misana ala mukalanda cho bale tweba mula ipusha abafyashi benu chitaba akaunda kwali urufyengo ala kwali urufyengo ndi bakaunda kwali pone nempele kwali abasambirira nabashasambirira bali ruwele mpele bali ruwele amaundu mula bepusha abafyashi benu chinwe charo ashiro chashire kwata abantu bapatana ala bakaunda bale batanka mucharo kwali pone kone la kurwansha ama nani ama chopa aletwala alefuminishe miti kucha kunani kula kurwansha mukepusha bena rwansha bakamieba. People, they were buried in massive graves. People in Rwanda, they died like flies. They were buried in massive graves. Les chita. So ngamrama kwata to kwa tamano. Tunela the party unity. Tunela the party love to forgive each other. We are reading the waves of the future. Where we are going, chachile bipa chino. Not even mule tontonganya. Chako tulachile bipa. Icha kwebati. Nichila munina. Chila muntra munina. If you have got no connection, you are in a diploma wakwata, you are in a degree wakwata, a connection yobe, tapado kongile nchito. Mula ufala bale tama database, na mwikala. Bale, ngomabika muntu pa database. Abala senda, obeshibe. Abala senda obeshibe. Kula tumabe phone. Iwe, tuma number yobe, number shan. Tuma enala siri yobe. nga basenda inalasi babura na number uli pa database alamba fyo kwingisha ma numbers balaba na banchush mkala chula badi nga tulelanda chemneka kwa tulesa baila ala muka kwa tobu chushi mucharo mikala ndata twalelanda uku ali insoke takwa file bantu. Brothers and sisters, the future is dark. Where we are going, the future is dark. If you are thinking everything is okay, tamurefa mulelanda ichikesa kuntanshi chikeshera onse twaremye bati no ushari mwaka bamo badi leta database no ushari mwemwa badi leta load shedding no ushari mwemwa alabane icharo bantu ukwabula bantu tetukube icharo ifo kale twalelanda no ushari mwaka bamo kabiyani muchita apply ku database kaili tumenga bara mingishe nchito because all twale misoka no ushari mwaka bamo aba ichaba paunza abo bade sta protest no ushari mwabamo aba iche aba panevi mwana wasa bade sta protest no ushari mwabamo bengi bulebamo loleleni ngamwapanga la mistake ababa win aba banani ba tourism Zambia simute we are saying use English cha kuskuru ne bani so that mumpatikisho kula nechisungu tonshire fwa ngatamule fwa kumfwe fyo ndelanda. This is one Zambia, one nation. Me, I speak Tonga, I speak Rozi, I speak Kaonde, I speak most of, I speak Swahili. Nga unataka mimi niseme Swahili. Una president wa Tanzania anaitwa Julius Mwalimu Nyerere anasema hivi, Mungu ni mwema anatuonesha upendo. Mungu ni mwema anatuonesha upendo. Rais wa Tanzania Kikwete anasema nguvu zipya, rais mpya nguvu zipya. Serikali ipya, ule Mswahili anasema hivyo. Mswahili anasema cheza na mimi, osa cheza na hela. Wewe Mazambia ni mnacheza na tribalism. Mnacheza sana. Asubuhi, jioni, za usiku mnacheza. Taka matatizo yaliko karibuni sana. Matatizo ya nchi ya Zambia matatizo yaliko karibuni sana. Munalila misozi, munaijua lugha ya Tanzania ya Swahili. Wewe unajua kufa na njaa wewe. Mswahili anasema wewe unajua kufa na njaa. Munakufa na njaa. Unaelewa, unajua, unasema hivi, ninasema Swahili. Unasema Kiingereza, mimi nasema Swahili. Hata Waswahili wa Kenya wananijua. Tanzania wananipenda kufa. Wanasema grassroots mimi tunakujua sana. Tunakupenda. Nchi ya Tanzania unailelewa, unaijua. Nchi ya Zambia unaijua vizuri. Politics ya Zambia unaelewa, unajua. Hata Tanzania, Waswahili wa Kongo wananipenda kufa. Wanasema grassroots media tunakujua. Unafanikisha kazi ya politics ya Zambia. Wananijua, wananipenda kufa. Hata Tanzania, ninafika Tanzania karibu. Wanasema grassroots media karibuni Tanzania. Maswahili wanasema grassroots media. Mambo vipi? Nasema safi kabisa. Wanasema karibuni sana Tanzania. Salama bwana, nasema salama sana. Nasema Mungu ni mwema na anaonyesha upendo. Hata Tanzania naijua vizuri sana. Haya matatizo mnaingia Zambia. Munafanya kufa na njaa. Munakufa na njaa. Njaa unajua, wewe unajua kufa wewe na njaa. Munakufa na njaa. Munapanga problema, hii problema munaingia hii nchi ya Zambia hii, munavota hii UPND, munaingia kwa njaa. Unajua kufa na njaa wewe. Munakufa na njaa. When we speak as grassroots media, we have been there. I've been in South Africa, I've been in Tanzania, I've been in Congo. I know, I've been in these countries to go and check how people they live. Zambian people, we don't know what we are doing as a nation. The future of this country, there are waves of tribalism. The future of this country, there are waves of poverty. And when these waves will hit your homes, the future is to cry. And they never say these people, they never owned us. We are one people, and together we can make this country a better place for all of us to live in. When we have got tolerance, because tolerance creates peace. Nelson Mandela was in prison for 27 years. And when he came out of prison, Mandela was wise. And because Mandela knew we live to die, he prepared his grave very well. He told the whites, He told the South Africans, he told them, let us forget about the past and pick good things out of the past and work together to build South Africa. This is what the message we expected from Hakainde Hichilema. When he became the president, Zambian people, they looked at Hakainde Hichilema to be the cornerstone. A cornerstone was a stone that was rejected. And today, Hakainde Hichilema was rejected how many times? Today, Hakainde Hichilema, the way he's running the government, he's so tambe. Anyway, the number to call is 077 95 19 270 09 666 111 95. Those are the numbers that you can call and be part of my broadcasting. We need to preach about unity. We need to read the future. We need to understand that life is a journey. Life is a test. Life is a promise. Wisdom and knowledge is needed to maintain all these things. You the Bembas, you the Tongas, you the Karubares, you are all created in the image of God. Echo mulepe menomwelo you. Efe lesa mipele lemfula ku Southern Province kumuchinga because lesa ani mitemwa. Takwa wapo mfula ya red, takwa wapo mfula ya green. Lesa ani mipele mfula. Nefi tekwa efe mwakwata lesa refilisha. You need to love one another and promote togetherness. 077 95 19 270 09 666 111 95. Those are the numbers that you can use to call. Otherwise, if we do something kulanda, ngatualanda, my brother, you are saying go and go for a barber shop. I'm not feeling too well. I've been bedridden for some days. I can't go to the barber shop when I'm not feeling well. So I'm not feeling well, and the way I've come out is because of what is happening in South Africa. Imanga mule moneka buino lesami pare. Me, I'm not feeling well, and I can only go to the barber shop when I feel okay. Apashile umfabino, I'll be down for some days. Na liduala. Nangwa panga na mumona. Njikele na makwishon yanga about 2. Because shile umfabino. I'm not feeling too well. So ngamule umfabino mweba kwetu pia timu wa kubaba shop lesami pare. Abena kapwepwe, abena nkumbula. They stood for this country so that you, the younger generation, you can celebrate life yomule pitamolero. Ifwe tule lilo kuya. Me, I'm just a voice for the voiceless. And most of the time in Ganarwala, ndeba lesa, mwelesa, sendenu mubonfi wenu, chite ya kwenga na ipua. I tell my God to say, mwelesa, chite andinga na ifika, Ganarwala, I tell my God, mwelesa, sendenu mubonfi wenu, tushe. Me, I don't fear to die. Because, kwa diaba kwetenda na mabadi fwa. We should prepare how we are going to die and how the angels of God is going to receive us. This chacho mule monechi. Eko badi baka teka badi fwa. Mule mweba Hakainde Hichilema. Ifefi alechita. Kuwa na ule charo. Badi mukanyoku ya kuchililo. Kuchililo ngakale tuwashika balungu. Abe neba chililo. Badi la ndokwe batawe. Umwine wa chililo. Kene mwikasangu wako kuchililo. Ba mutare eko baba. Ba vice president kuti basangu ako ababonsa ama ministers abena konera sumuitwa ababonsa abena Jackie Mwimbo kuti basangu awo tebabakanya lero umwine wa Chitumbi Edgar Lungu ala ndilo kwebati uyu ekasangu ako okumona mubiri wanje ngachakwebo kwebati nafwa. The only person who balesha ni Hakainde Hichilema mwe bantu bakwalesa Hakainde Hichilema ule tuletelo musebanya muchalo mwe bantu Hakainde Hichilema twapapata abantu nga bakulesha abafyashi besu balera ndokwe bati mwana wandi umweo wa muntu waba mukutwi efe abafyashi besu baletweba ngabala ndokwe bati mwana wandi wilaye ndobushiku abafyashi besu bale ishiba ngani kumushinga bakwe bati wilaye ndobushiku nishibali shibo kwe bati kumushkwali bensoka insoka ikagusuma aba iche bale beba mweba arakashi bale Mr. Advisor abafyashi bebe bali shibo kwe bati ngabakulesha abafyashi bebo wilaenda akabushiku bale shibo kwebati abawo mekuti bakuchitarepo akasuba tibati no kwikata punch bakubika punch nelongo le ndobushiku mwana kashi bala kubika punch bala kuchitarepo abafyashi bale kanya bana mayo bachisotwe abale ndobushiku mazobole abale ndobuso obushiku ni bana makwenku amaule abafyashi bale landati ngo wamono mwana kashale ndobushiku liule evo bale landa bantu bale ishibatina iule yali ishibati apa liponso kuti lyaenda. That's why bale konkomesha bana mayo bachisotwe tabale basubirisho kwendo obushiku because bale ishibati abana kufyalwa kuti bamutitikira ule mwana kashi balalankwe bamona wisha bu virgin abo bale chita bafyashi bale funda nomba mwe bana kufyalwa abafyashi bale mpera mafunde tamale mfu na mupose ntambisha chupo mwali pose ntambisha charo mwali pose ntambisha kuikala pamo muleona ule charo mwali ama Indians mule balolesha. When you go in Tanzania, in Dar es Salaam, the same culture is the same culture that you are going to see the Indians in Zambia. Aba nakasha ama Indians, mula mwana fi wamone kabeni. Ama Indians, ama fiumu na culture ofia lipusana. Muli fiumu, kuti mwatamba kwa jefo basangwa. When you are in India, in Mumbai, that's when you are going to understand what I'm talking about. Chalo chilo cha losing a culture. Ama Indians, Indian ngalefo okupa. Niba ngama India ni aba upama ama Zambia imuno Zambia. How many Indians do we have in this country? Ama Indians ngalefa yokupa bala babweke shamo aya ku India upomo anakashaisa. Why? They respect their culture. Where is our culture? Where we should know how to bury somebody omuntu ngafa. Bane uku alinsoke takwa file band. Ama problem akesa. We are planting a very bad seed. And what will happen? That farmer says, people are being frustrated. Frustrated. You have depths. You have Kuzesko. You have mines. You have Makot. You are chatting. No. You are in those positions to serve the people. Once the government changes, because one or two, you are practicing tribalism. You are one people. You should love one another and put the future for the younger generation to come. Because mleo naula future yaba nakufyalwa. 077 95 19 270 or 09666 11195. Those are the numbers that you can use to participate. Nalanda inamaka this time chkwete chile umfa I've been down, I've been sick, I've been complaining. So ngamwamfa that you have grassroots media na batusha. I've been sick. Ndalanda every time no ndalanda. I'm not feeling too well. So I tell my God ngachakwebo kwebati ishtale sampela yapwa chawama na atusha. Chawama na atusha na yakumana nama the people that God has anointed to speak for the voiceless. I want to join the people of the saints. Nganafwa chama ga join a group yama saints. Na in God is going to reward me to what the job that He has given me. So ndero wala madezi ano leso muine ngalando kwebata tusende che tutushe kuya mkutusha evyo fweba bombele charo evyo lesa tuweba. So mweba mulete mwana mwilarwa mule shibo kwebatu mutunduru onse wali ba important elo mulete ke charo mule lolesha future ya abantu afa bakekala 50 years from now, 40 years from now, 30 years from now. Ichibemba chilando kweba ati nga wali olubalala ngoreri enbalala wali olubalala lumoru wabola chonse kufuisa, meaning that elo ichibemba chilando kweba ati umusuku ubi utushe mpanga. And before I end up my broadcasting, let me talk about Makebi Zulu, and also I want to talk about Brian Mundubire. I come to speak. Abantunga bale kutina Makebi Zulu. Abantunga bale kutina Brian Mundubire. Me, I don't fear anyone. I only fear the God of yesterday, today and tomorrow. And I want to advise mwema supporters bakwa Brian Mundubire. Na mwema supporters bakwa Makebi Zulu. Stop what you are doing. If you have mure chita, nga mwalolesha Brian Mundubire. Mwalolesha na Makebi Zulu. Makebi Zulu and Brian Mundubire. Nga mwabalolesha bonse. Mule mwalaga sango kweba tibale mweka bonse ba PF. Kile fetch sikapala mingalato. Nga chakweba kweba ati chala wila Makebi Zulu. Aba kwa Makebi Zulu. Bala supporta Makebi Zulu. Nga chakweba kweba ati chala wila Brian Mundubire. Aba kwa Makebi Zulu. Bala supporta Brian Mundubire. So mweba la supporta Makebi Zulu. Mwila pontela. Aba likuli Brian Mundubire. Mweba likuli Brian Mundubire. Mwila pontela. Aba likuli Makebi Zulu. Ichibe mbachilando kweba ati usungomu na nkwe teshibikwa. That's why ndalanda pari Makebi Zulu. Ndalanda pari Brian Mundubire. Na alanda na pari Makebi BF. Na alanda pari Karaba. nalambe pali balanjeba your grassroots media okafode chula ebe banjeba tawaishi wa kusupporta ngole supporta bonse no one is going to help you ebe banjeba. But I told them chawama nafwa I need to stand with my principles kale bambo kulanda nangu ba UPND balanjeba grassroots media ukafwaiwe ukafode chula isaku UPND supporta bakainde chilema balanjeba have been receiving cause. But you know, in life, we need to have a principle. And if we don't have a principle, we are not going to succeed as a nation, as a family. If you are a family, you have got no principle, you never succeed. Principle entails you to succeed. The principalities are telling us, if you don't understand the power of principle, you are not going to succeed in your life. Ine akainde ichile mashampata. Ine shapata Brani Mundubire. Shapata Makebi Zulu. The reason why for this country to develop, we need to have a strong opposition political party and we need to have a ruling party. And by doing that, the opposition must work extra hard to form government. And those who are in government, they need to work extra hard so that this country can be a better place for all of us. There must be a competition. If you are living in a country where there is no competition, if you are living in a family where there is no competition, chula. When there is competition, there is no jealous. Some of you are suffering because in your family there is no competition. When you are brulu wanunga kwa tendelama mulamuloa, ama bullet winner bonse mwali ipaya. Kaita mfa competition. Brother wobe akwa tendelama wakwata jealous. Banko wobe wakwa tendelama wakwata jealous. Sister wobe akwa tendelama wakwata jealous. You cannot succeed as a family when you have got jealous, when there is no competition in a family. Kuya faika uya musoja. Oh musoja ashita motoka. Ine nilebones washita wakure nganda. You are able to brother wobe ngala kwata motoka wala lombako motoka. Aba nabobe balefo kuya holiday wala tumakuri sister wobe. Nomba sister wobe walikwata jealous. Brother wobe walikwata jealous. Baanko wobe walikwata jealous. You are not going to develop as a family when there is no competition in your family. Underline competition in the family. If you want to succeed as a family, there must be competition. Uyu akuya kwenganda. Uyu ashita komotoka. Uyu ako kuyuke. Imo family yenu mwafiala kundola. Wose mwalikota mwafiala kundola. Wose mwalikota mabakurusaka. What kind of a family is that? Bamo balingre baba kundola. Bamo baba kurusaka. Bamo baba South Africa. Bamo baba kuyuke. Pakwa ebati family is expanded. You need to compete. And by doing that, you are going to get rich. Number, you see, family chenu, wase mule chula, mwenda punch, ba wisobende punch, ba nokobende punch, na mwenda punch. What kind of nonsense is this? Because of the same nonsense that is happening in the family, the same nonsense that is happening in the country. Ichibuluele, ichabula competition. Aba nenunga bakwate ndalama. It's a process of crime. Mwefa, mweka mkwate orupia. Aba nente bakwate orupia. There must be competition in every sector. In a competition, people they develop. But family mumenu, you don't want to compete. Brother obenga kwata motoka, nindoshi. Baanko bobeba kwata motoka, niba satanist. When are you going to get rich? You poor family. Wamilo walinani. Mulanduwa kwebati. You don't understand the power of our competition among us ourselves. Inye ngarasanga brother wandari kulenganda. Na nikuwa ndajinga kulenganda. Ngarasanga brother wandari nsha motoka. I need to work extra hard. Na inende nsha. By doing that, aba nabakwenga baisa. Bakasanga nabasenda. Bamukudia pizza muni motoka. Because kunga ndeko balefu makudia. Beta muni motoka. Aba brother wandinga kulenganda. I need to work extra hard. Na ina kwata kulenganda. So that aba nanga baleisa. But they are not squatters. We need to have competition among us ourselves. So, Brani Mundubile and Makebi Zulu, they are doing competition, of which we need to choose one leader. So, mwaba lepata Makebi Zulu, mwapata Brani Mundubile. Tamwa kwa tamano, ulifi puba. Because, why wanapata Brani Mundubile? Why wanapata Makebi Zulu? They are just in a competition. The only competition, they are competing. At the end of the day, we need to call them to work together for the benefit of the Zambian people. lomba uletuka Makebi Zulu uletuka Brian Mundubile Makebi Zulu na Brian Mundubile bala isapamu how are you going to be? Some of you, that's why you don't know about competition. That's why ngandala pata kainde echilema abantu bana no grassroots media walipata kainde echilema shampata kainde echilema Tamforesha wachina pata is a president of this country. He was voted by the people ngafiro kubomba kumweba without kumupata why nalapata nango mupata ero chibeshana ero bunga bwala chipa nganapata kainde echilema ero fio yalabwera. I just need to tell him off. You are kainde na upona 2026 ulea. Simple as that. Ukwa bulo kumutuka. Nombango wachukua kainde echilema. Elo bunga bwala chipa. Elo fio yala chipa. We are Zambians. We have got a culture. Aba fiashi besunga ba. Aba pansaka. Aba fiashi ba randati. Now we can have a fiashi. Now we can have pansaka. Aba fiashi ba nye sushi. Takware ba kufuisa amate. Nga wafuisa. Nishu wapontela bakalamba. Efe ba lelanda. Ela balabe ne bakalamba nga ba nye sushi. Ela balanda tumwe china enoyu. Alanya sana ekisushi. Takware bakukana. Muchinshi. Entambi afyashi besu bale tufunda. Kuchindika bakalamba. Nangu nabarufyanye banye ekisushi. Abafyashi na bekalapa banye ekisushi. Iyo dadi mwanya. Nisho wali kwa tamano. Intambi. Muchinshi. That's why mulesanga inonshita. Akaleba na mayo. Bakupera balume babwa menshi bale fukama. Inonshita bali leka. Beba fiabana. Bale tele kwa menshi. Bali kota na lavu. Bali kota. Nomba ndemieba. Mweba wa mulavu. Mwila kota. Lavu taikota. The word love. It does not get you. It does not get you old. Mwela fiashi ba mama kumushi. Bambuya nga bali kota ba ume. Mwabeta ko baby. Love taikota. Na mwe competition. Tamu abarupato. Abena Makebi Zulu. Abena Brian Mundubile. Bali ngireba showing a love. You need to show love to one another. Don't fight. You are just in a competition. Number one, you are in a competition. Abali ku Brian Mundubile. Mule tukabali ku Brian. And you are using the same chitenge material ya PF. Mule bonfye fitenge vya PF. If you take na t-shirt ya PF, nga wakuri Brian Mundubile. Bale bonfye fitenge vya PF. Nga wakuri Makebi. Bale bonfye fitenge vya PF. Bale ndashiniba PF. Then at the end of the day, mule fa mulero. Aiko aponi ba given rubinda. Ba chimba kambwiri. Na iba mukupa. Ndemi itabonso mwabakalamba basolwe. Bama politics. Bikenya abantu bamwaba. Bengsheni munganda. Mubafunda ama politics. Bela tukana. Bela mwilarwa. This is just politics. Icharo lifu pa wakoroko takoaya. Nombango le tukana. Makebi Zulu kabomba na ngweshani. Nombango le tuka KBF. Bonsa abena Brian Mundubile. Abena Makebi Zulu. Balando kweba tuwaza pota KBF. Ware mutuka. Ukabomba na ngweshani. Kalaba yo kalaba riba starbon. Kalaba taba starbon. Wao aba starbon ni webo. Wali yao kuliena. Kalaba riba starbon. Wao aba starbon ni webo. Some people mnayona wisha mashina. Mnaona mashina ya bantu. Aba tamasa ngopo na bena. Elo idia shida kwa Makebi Zulu. Ni ambemba. Ulia Makebi Zulu. Mwina chipata. Vane. Urupato lubi. Makebi Zulu. Ngabamu bika as a family spokesperson. Tekula ndati. Ale gajinga balungu bale ruwala. Ela muibike chitumbi cha walungu. Pale Makebi Zulu. You want to become a spokesperson who are family. You are not part of that family. You are just a spokesperson. Ina isha monako. Bakweba tuwala ba spokesperson kumanda. Ela balando kweba ati. Sisi wala ba spokesperson kumanda. Nuo alashika na chitumbi. Takwaba. Makebi Zulu is just like me. Ngale fuaya kutala ndo kweba tawe na aleka bu spokesperson ba yesta lungu bala ntumina phone oba chimba nomba nimumo mwala ba spokesperson aba ifwe na ala mkujoina kushenga na ba spokesperson wa Esther lungu nishina aba family aba lungu nisha popene kulingera ita protect chitumbi ala bani orupato mwako ata muleke ba opposition na imo bonse mweba ba mubuteko mweba kwa torupato lwa kwa Makebi Zulu. Makebi Zulu is just a family spokesperson. Bamusa rilefe. Bushengo wa spokesperson wa family. Nangu wa baloya wa family. Ila family nga yarwala kuchipatala uringire wa kuchipatala. Ngafu na kwa bututu. Ubututu mule chita. Mweba ni mururi. Na imwe bututu mule chita. Mweba bakwa opposition kutumpa kupena. Mule kwa tamanu wa chifyarirwa. Ngo waba luring ngo we muntu ngo waba spokesperson wa abantu. You are going to be part of that family. nangu walasende chitumbiromba chibe chobe ululu pato mwako atapali makebizuru muleke. Just do your politics. Pangani vyama politics by UPND. Elo mune na tumfa mune lada by UPND. Yo ba opposition tabakwete manifesto. Bakwete manifesto ya chitumbi kutumpa manifesto yaba opposition ba UPND na kainde mwadirete nsala ubunga bwali tula abana Zambia bali ama supermarket bali chito ubunga abana Zambia bali apa ma filling station fio basa bali cha 17 kwacha fio mwalirunda elo mwana ndati tabakwete manifesto mwa shikwete manifesto ni mwa chipani chabu fi chabura ichipani chabu fi icha UPND. You are full of lies. Obufi bwali bola tete mule lando kweba atiba ba opposition tabakwete manifesto ubunga bwali dula fio yali dula mwaliretero sheding ama business yabantu yaliwa. People are talking about tribalism. People have cried and today you are saying no, they have got no manifesto. The manifesto are in the offices of the people. The manifesto are in the homes of the people. Ubunga bwali chipa balesta 50 kwacha. The manifesto ilima motoka ya bantu. So you cannot tell the people ba opposition tabakwete manifesto mwaba shikwete manifesto ba UPND ni mwe. Zambian people have complained about high cost of living. Na chilachi ne chitumbi cha barungu. Chila mwene cha timwe muri bankarwe. Mwalifira ushika barungu. Because nga muri mu government there is power of reasoning. Mwali babantu abasambira mu government. Kuti wayo bakainde echilema. Ama advisors ba boss. Ili tukala shika barungu. Mukaye kumfuwe. Mukale tambe nama. Tukashike barungu. Pele ni ba mutale ba imitofore. Bakabe kuchililo. Pele ni Jackie Mwimbo. Aka guchiriro pere nikone nasi mwitwa tibalanda without wasting time no mbeto baka inde chilema bafu afe bena fyonse ni bena afe bale ponena kano feni bena kan feni bena ineni ne ichimemba chando kwebati na alikwebele taburu hapo ba UPND bali pona my election isi ni bamumpa bale lilo kuiruka ba ukuruka bali pwa chipancha UPND chali pwa bali yabo 077 I've missed the call here. 077 95 19 270 or 09366 95. Those are the numbers that you can call. I've opened the phone lines. Timuaranda pona imo wherever you are. When you are calling, you tell us where you are calling, where you are watching us from. If you are in Southern Province, you say I'm in Livingstone, Southern Province. If you are in Kasama, you say I'm in Kasama, Northern Province. Then you start speaking. If you are in Copper Belt, Mwarando Kweba, Tinevo Mutale, whatever, I'm calling you from Copper Belt, Rwansha, Mufurila, wherever you are. 077 95 19 270. Ema number, mwinga tumina po ama phone. Ichime mbachirando Kweba ti, ichimpatanya, chai mine pakati kanshila. You have to be very careful. The way you run a government, you have to be very careful the way you treat each other. You have to be very careful that there is a future for your children. You have to be very careful that there is a country you need to respect, which is Zambia, your mother country. So 077 95 19 270. Phone hili hapa timu atuma mwebale fo kutuma 077 95 19 270 or 09366 11195 0977 95 077 95 19 270 or 09366 11195. Those are the two numbers you can use so that you can participate and call us wherever you are. Bane ishtayari pwa tulingile tulelande fishinka chinwe chalo tatwa kwata former president ama former president bonse barifwa. So the next former president naka inde ichilema teitaka inde ichilema abe eka mcharo tulingile to mchiteri taya abe former president tulete kumbi wakwe bataka inde ichilema na president uke sabakare yafuana how to run the nation. So you can call us on 077 95 19 270 or 09366 11195. 077 95 19 270 or 09 111 therefore amutume kwa amafoni na imwe mulandepo the future of this country topic tulelandapo future ino ya chalo bushe tulaya kuisa as a nation yet that advice by opposition kali nambo kulanda ukuikatana chibemba chilando kweba ati abanganda imo bakene urubalala rumo balia banona pwamenshi ebyo chibemba chilanda so ba opposition kale ni pamo muri banganda imo abena KBF muri ba PF kalaba uri wa PF bonse mulingire mwaisa pamo no kupange chakosa ba maikosa atana ba Edgar Lungu bali myebere kweba ati tie ntubombere cha pamo pakulubura bena Zambia. Edgar Lungu died fighting for this country. Edgar Lungu died to speak on behalf of the voiceless. So Edgar Lungu ali milange nshila ngamuwa ya separate mukapona ama election. So before tamura apona ne chota chilaona ikilila because ba UPND nga bawina second term bakala fishitira mofi. If their first term nabatulanga the true colors of their failures, what about if you give them another chance? Mukaleko okulanda na imwe eri la ma offices mukalila mukesalila. So you make sure you vote wisely kwa bulokurwa kwa bulechongo, otherwise UPND nga yapita ubobu afya mulechita complain wherever you are. Me, I don't work with you in the offices. You know where you work, you know where you are. Now you know whether there is tribalism or there is not tribalism. You know how you are buying unga. Now how you are buying unga. You know where you get the money. You know how much money you are getting paid at the end of the month. You know how much you are buying fuel if you are driving. You know how much you are buying fertilizer. These people, they don't care. The government of the UPND, they don't care. They don't look at the poor people. These people are rich people. They stink money. When you know the Bible makes it very clear. The Bible tells you about the rich man and the Lazarus. Most of you, the Zambian people, knew about Lazarus. And you see the life you will pitamo. Ero muntu akwatenda lama. Ale mititikisha. Mule chula mule la rensa. Alabane ukwa rinso geta kwa file bantu. Na alikuebele taburu hapo. Ero echibemba chadi very straightforward. Mule umfanga tulelani. Ichalo bantu. Ichalo matwi. Ichalo menso. You know where you are. Mwewa the copper belt. Na mwishuwa buchushi. Owa mulimo. Mwewa Southern province. Na mwishuwa buchushi o mapitamo. Mwewa Christian province. Na mwishuwa buchushi mapitamo. Everyone you know. There is nothing to pretend here. You know where you are. Na mwishuwa buchushi mapitamo. If you want to make another mistake. If you want to make another, underline the word silly mistake. If you want to make another silly mistake, it is your duty to make another silly mistake. But never ever come and complain. The future lies in your votes. Your future lies in your NRC and your voters card. You make a mistake, don't say tatwali landa. Ndelanda shire umfabino. Chamuseru, elo champamba. In a Christian nation, we are living like abantu bale tino kulanda. People are scared everywhere. People are educated, have become more cowards. Abantu bashima pepo. Abena imakando. Aba lelanda. Nishubunga body 120. Few 17 kwacha. Badi leko kulanda. And you can see, if a man of God can stop talking. Abena imakando badia. Abena bread of life. Bishop imakando udia lelanda. He had a complaint ubunga 120. Few 17 kwacha. Today is quiet. Why is it quiet? You can ask yourself. There are some people that brought us in problems. They are quiet. When Akainde Echem was in opposition, they were talking. But today, Akainde Echem is destroying this country. They are quiet. Why are they quiet? It is you, the Zambian people, to judge. Why Imakando is quiet? Abena never simumba. Aba belenge chipingo. Na abamonati abakashiba kwa lungu ba wido balesunge chitumbi for 10 months. Never simumba ubelenga Bible. na ikala ledia alanda okulanda everything is okay ale support no buteko ubule na ule chalo. Now if you can have people like Abena Nevas Mumba, if you can have a former priest Abena Father Frankie Bwaria bonse bale butukile kwa kuya mkulira, this country is not going anywhere because the wise are supporting nonsense. When the wise begin to support useless things, the nation doesn't go anywhere. Father Frankie Bwaria is a former priest who understands the gospel. Barnabas Mumba is a preacher who understands about the widow, the tears of the widow. Nevas Mumba lesa potaka inde chilema. Father Frankie Bwaria, former priest, alesa potaka inde chilema no buteko bwakwe. You can see where we are going. Where we are going, there is no future. So you need to prepare to tighten up your belts, because ubu chushubu alaisa wala ba more than akainde ngawina na ifo fweba lelande tukale kukulanda tukala tambafi na imwe bene mwe bashilanda ba chiburu imwe kali mwa libelele chibu chiburu mfuatula mirandira kola mwikala manganda akainde leo na ule chalo fiwo ile dula ubunga bule dula ama light yale dula na mwikala na mtutubala kwati fibata beti na mesha mjuni ichalo akainde ichilema lelanda. That's why me I challenge akainde ichilema ina akainde tetantinyi akainde church tetantinyi kwene ngale mitinya inataka ntinye church. Why? Akainde ichilema when he was in opposition alelanda ulia ale imama baka. So I cannot you akainde ichilema ba police, those police officers have been there ba police balela sala ubunga bwali dula fiyo yali dula ama light yali dula tapari ule na pama light wonse bule chula. So me I cannot be scared akainde ichilema when he was in opposition alelanda aisa mubuteko nde tina akainde ichilema alelanda wali ku opposition ni shecho alelanda tubunga bwa 50 kwacha akainde nde tina akainde ngana ala HH ngana abuka akainde ngana atira nde tina ba UPN ndama cadres nde. We are here to defend this country. We are here to protect the future of this country. Whether na Afrikaripe or Afrikaripe. As long as that we tukana. Politics not about insulting akainde ichilema. Politics not about doing politics of propaganda. Akainde ichilema arebe pobufi. Ubunga 50 kwacha. Fuel 12 kwacha perita. Arebe pobufi. Arebe bepa. Mwema Zambia mlesa pota. Wala wale mbe pobufi. Echo mlefu uko na ule chalo. Mwarishiba kwali baba mu abantu abatumpa abatemwe chonga chile onaika kwali baba mu abantu abatumpa abale umfobile ba Esther Lungu bale chula ku South Africa kwali baba mu abantu abatumpa abakweba okweba ati tabafuaya icho chino chile akuntanshi kwali baba mu abantu abatumpa abakweba ati ichonga chile onaika bale umfobile. Some of you are waiting for this country to collapse because some of you are demons, some of you are satanists, some of you are Freemasons. When the people are suffering, when the people are walking, one day I was driving in Lusaka, kwadi by the area balanda at Marshland, mwene ngole fuma para pa East Park para, ngole fuma pa East Park, kwadi bomu sebo ula tubomfiata Zambezi Road. So Muzambezi Road, kwadi ba ulo musebo pita mu Marshland, ulo musebo pita misebo shesh pita mu Jesmondini, Marshland, na there is another area which is near Unza there. Aba ichenga bainuka monga this time 17 hours nga bainuka. Benda punch. Imisebo mula ba black abantu balenda punch. Mula ndo wabu chush. People are walking from town to go to Kabarana. People are walking from town to go to Shawama. People are walking from town to go to Kanyama. Mula ndo wabu chush. That's why mulenda punch. Mule filo kulipila ma transport. Badi nga tole landa. Wechi muntu wenda punch. Nuwa ulesa potobu teko bule una ulicharo. Aka India isa. Arunda fio transport ya dura. Ulenda punch. Mula ama phone yenuwa ama phone. Ama protector, ama screen protector. Yari toba ika. Mule filo kushita. Screen protector ule filo kushita. Phone yomu wakwata. Mchini mule wonfi ama phone. Kweba tintirike. Ni ama bando mule lomba. Tokta mule lomba. No mamwe bantu bakwalesa. Ichoro cha buchushi. Where are we going as a nation? Chinuwe chalo. Ubuchushi na buchilamu. Nomba. Ubuchushi kwa wapitirila. Abantu balamba okupena. Efya ubuchushi bwaba. obuchushi nga bwapitira mwala mwana balambo kupena bana mana pena abalumendo bale pena kali ubuchushi nga bwachira bugabo okupena medula oblongata ilo naika ubuchushi nga bwachiramu kulabo okupena so mwala mwana okusenda masaka mwaka atenga mwasende sakeri mwaka la senda masaka ubuchushi bula penya. A good nation fight poverty. Icharo cha kwatamano chira fighting a poverty. There is too much poverty in this country. Bamunyinane kwena shire umfwa wino. No question aisha. No question aisha. Mwilati no kulanda, mwilati na kainde. HH when he was in opposition, alelanda. So today he's in government and today you want to be scared. He's not a lion. Akainde is not a lion. He's a human being like Michael Sat. He's a human being like Michael Sat. He's a human being like Rupia Banda. They all entered the state house. So why should you fear Akainde Ichirema? Why should you fear Akainde Ichirema? Anyway, I was expecting maybe I can give you another few minutes. I'm not feeling too well. 077 95 19 270. 077 95 19 270 or 09366 111 95 077 95 19 270. Those are the numbers. Talk time. Somebody is beeping me. Talk time.
Account balance is low. You have 0.
Talk time. Wuchush. Waka in the chile. Recover. Otherwise, 077 95 19 270 09366 111 95. Those are the numbers that you can use to call and tell us. I've given you enough time so that Mulandepo, not grassroots media, Alanda Eka, London. Otherwise, things are not okay. Icharo Chino, we need reconciliation, and I don't know who are going to be the center of reconciliation because Abakalamba, Basha Mfumu, Bare Mona, if you're Chile Unaika, there is nothing that is happening. Aba chiefs, they are quiet. Ama chiefs, they are quiet. Ero bena ama chiefs aba bakalamba aba kweba tibaita Akainde Ichirema no kumuteka punch fumiapo musebanya what is happening in South Africa. So mwebena Zambia, it is your duty to voice out so that together we can make this country a better place for all of us. Natakudi ama cause lesa mipale. May God bless you wherever you are watching. Continue preaching peace and unity in the Republic of Zambia. Continue advising one another. Continue forgiving each other. Continue preaching togetherness. You are one tribe, you are one people. Mwebabe mba, efe mrefu okumfwa, efe abatonga mrefu okumfwa. Bakaonde efe mrefu okumfwa, na mrefu okumfwa bino, efe abachewa mrefu okumfwa bino. If you are getting employment, share. You are one people for the betterment of the future. So that lesa akamipale mule baba ikatana mule temwana. Mule itemwana mule ikatana and learn to forgive each other. Bane, all of us will live to die. It might be today, it's me, it might be you tomorrow, all of us will live to die. But we need to prepare our lives. We need to prepare how we are going to be received by the power of the Holy Spirit. How we are going to be received by the angels. What I can advise you. Fionse fio mule monefi. Kwa ribo wasipangire. Chabanga motoka ulensha. Ule ishibo kwebati motoka ulensha. Kwa di aba ipangire. Kwa di abantu aba ikerepo bale ipanga. Ichalo chino cho mule mona. Kwa di wachipangire. Abika mwefioni. Abika motuni. Abika mwabantu. Abika mwamenshi. Abika mwefiakuria. Abika mwanama seeds. Abika mwenkonde, abika mwefi apsana. by the love of God, God gave us everything. You should understand wherever you are that there is God who created everything. Just like phone yo mlebo mfya. There were people behind that phone. Iyo phone ngana ukwata. Wala mna kwata pale abale ipanga. There were people who are behind manufacturing that phone. There were people who are behind designing that phone. And those people, you never see them. You are just using the phone. You don't know the people. Abale ipanga phone. So ne charo echi. Ekwa adile so wachipanga. You can't see him. Just like I'm a phone yo mlebo mfya. If there were people who were behind to make that. And the Chalochino, there was somebody who was behind to design this world, who designed this country, who designed the world. And this one is God, God of the yesterday, today and tomorrow. Lesa, shaka ipanga fionse. Is the one who gave wisdom. Kupanga mafoni, kupange miotoka, kupange fiomulemona. Lesa, alipange fintu. Kupitila kupela abantu amano abapela amano pakwe bati mule kwata amafoni ngamule iyo phone mule bomfya. Have you ever seen the people who are making that phone? You have never seen them, but you are still using amafoni. Amenshi mulenwa mwalishi wapanga menshi if yakufuwa mule washa nga fialamba mwalishi wapanga kasuba infula ileroka mwalishi wapanga infula. There is God, God of yesterday, today and tomorrow, the creator of the universe, the one that you can't see. Just like the person who manufactured your phone, who manufactured that car you are using. You have never seen them, but you are using what others have manufactured. There is one who manufactured everything that you see. Akasuba, Amenshi, Avantu. There is a God of yesterday, today and tomorrow. So love and believe in God of yesterday, and together we are going to live in a better nation. If we love God every time, if we love one another, if we forgive ourselves, if we forgive our families, if we forgive the people that have wronged us, if we forgive even our enemies. Jesus Christ is saying, love your neighbors, love yourself. Pray for your enemies. Lesami pale, it's bye-bye. Mfabino bane. Ekobalia banonkele. Apuisha bane. Mfabino sana.